Phew! There! After it! It went in there!
Better let me handle this.
Bob, wait!
Are you okay?
What happened?
It was so dark. Couldn't see. The night howler ambushed me. I stung it with my tail, but it was no use.
It's not hurt by a scorpion sting? That thing really is tough. We need to get you to safety.
But the howler will get away.
We'll deal with the howler later. Time to take you back to town.
He's coming back! Run!
Oh, that way!
They think we lost the howler. What in the woolly world is that thing?
I don't know, but now that Bob's safe, we need a plan to deal with it.
Maybe we could set a trap and lure it into that old barrel.
Solid idea, but a trap needs bait. What does the night howler want?
We don't know anything about it, except that it has fleas and, well, it howls. Huh?
Sam, listen. The night howler is answering.
Turn it off! Turn it off! Sorry, I'm still a little on edge.
Now it's not working. That recording was the only thing we had to lure the night howler into our trap.
Unless those prairie dogs did a pretty good impression of it earlier. Maybe they can help us.
Yeah, when we catch him, I can show him what this tail is really made of. Whatever you guys have in mind.
Sam, you round up the prairie dogs. We'll get the trap ready.
Ready, prairie dogs?
Ready! It's working! The night howler's howling back. Keep going.
It's getting closer.
Just one more big howl.
It's him! The night howler's here!
It's in the trap. Barb, now! We got him!
That's the legendary night howler, a little mouse.
Of course, a grasshopper mouse.
Hello.
Grasshopper mice roam large areas searching for food, and they spread fleas too.
So itchy.
Oh! I just never knew they could howl like that.
Not many people do. Kind of a hidden talent.
Okay, so you can howl, but why did you attack me?
Sorry, I only attacked you because I was startled. I knew you wouldn't actually hurt me. Scorpion stings don't hurt us grasshopper mice. And then I was chasing you because I heard you might have some grapefruit flea powder.
You can have the very last of it.
Ah, that's much better. Thanks.
See you around, little howler.
Oh! Bye!
Thanks again for your help, Barb.
Glad I could lend a hand. Or a tail. See ya.
Well, kids, another creature case closed.